guys, bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I'm going to be unboxing 2 lunch bags that I purchased from Modern Picnic. I will also be giving my honest review on them and some couple tips on how to keep them clean, and I will show you guys how I accessorize them to spice up the look. I hope this video helps out, so here we go. So, you might be thinking, why is she unboxing lunch bags? But let me tell you, these aren't no regular lunch bags. These aren't no Hello Kitty or Peppa Pig lunch bags. Come on now. When I was looking for a lunch bag, I wanted one that would match my outfits and had a sophisticated look. I googled stylish lunch bags and Modern Picnic popped up. I have already purchased one before, so I got 2 more in the last year's Black Friday deal. Now, they both came in their individual dust bags, which I always store them in whenever I'm done using them for the day. Within the dust bag, they are in a plastic bag, and if you like ASMR videos, then I'ma stop talking for this part so you can hear the crunch of the plastic. Okay, so in the box, there's a thank you card, a chart of the other products they carry, and a card that promotes their mini luncher. Oh, here's another ASMR. I'll be back, okay? Hey, you missed me? So, the bags come with a removable strap, which are adjustable, and the interior of the bag is insulated as well. And it has 2 really strong magnetic closures. This bag retails for $149, and I purchased it on a 30% off Black Friday deal, so it came out to be about $104. It's made out of vegan leather, and the website doesn't specify if the handle is real bamboo, but it feels like it's from a natural material. The brand's logo name is hot stamped with a metallic finish, and the bottom of the bag has metallic gold feet to prevent damage on the bottom fabric. I have noticed that the feet can get scratched easily, so try to avoid dragging the bag on the table or any surface. When you flip the bag, you'll see a back pocket where you can place anything that needs to be easily accessible, like your phone and sunglasses. As I said before, these magnetic closures are really strong, and here's a closer look of the insulated interior. There's a square pocket and elastic slots for your fork, spoon, knife. So that you have an idea of how much room there is, I am going to insert typical items I place in my lunch bag. In their website, they show a water bottle placed horizontally in the bottom of the bag to show that a water bottle fits inside, but personally, I don't want to take the risk of it spilling, so I carry my water container. The second bag I got also retails for $149, but I got it for $104. It's called Black Faux Crocodile, and it's made out of vegan leather, and I love how both of these bags are edge coated to keep the edges clean and make it look like a regular handbag. Oh, and one thing I didn't mention before, it's that Modern Picnic also does initials hot stamp monograms if you like that on your lunch bag. This one also has gold metallic feet, and remember to not drag it on any surface because the hardware will get scratched. Like the white bag, this one has a back pocket to place slim items like your phone, keys, sunglasses, you name it, you place it, you got it. Inside, I place the same items that was in the white one, and since there's not much space to insert a water bottle, I carry that on hand. As mentioned before, they do come with adjustable straps. Both end clasps rotate 360, and there's a small looped end to maintain the straps together. They easily clasp in like this, And this is how the white one looks on. But here's where my honest review comes through. I wouldn't recommend wearing it like this when you're wearing jeans, denim, or anything that color easily transfers out. I have had many times that the dye of my jeans would transfer onto the white bag. Luckily, with a damp paper towel and soap, I was able to remove the stains. And here's how the black bag looks on as a crossbody. Because this is a dark bag, I haven't seen any color transfer going on. Another way to stylize these bags is by using chain straps from your other bags that you have. Since the clasps of my chain straps aren't big enough to clasp onto the gold loop hardware of the bag, I had to connect both ends of the chain and insert the chain like this. And this is how this gold chain looks like on the black bag. And this is how it looks with the white bag. Such a J-Lo Miami vibe right now. Okay, Aileen, we see you. I mean, we can't see you, but we see you. So, I found this other chain strap that has an antique rustic look and it's chunkier, which I personally like. And I placed it in the bag just like this. And this is how it looks on the black bag with this chain. Because this chain is longer, I am able to wear it as a crossbody. And this is how it looks on the white bag if you were wearing it on the shoulder, or you could also do a crossbody. Another way I have accessorized these bags is by using necklaces. And the way I attach them to the bag is by attaching them like this. And make sure the magnetic closures close properly. And this is how the chunky marble-esque necklace looks like on the white bag. And this is how it looks like on the black bag. Here's another example of another necklace that I found. This one gives more of an elegant and chic look to the bag to dress it up. And this is how it looks on the white bamboo lunch bag. Of course, there's many ways of accessorizing them, like with keychains or handkerchiefs to dress them up or dress them down or to match them to any outfit that you have. But these are a couple ideas to accessorize them. Oh, another cleaning tip I have is if you ever leave food in them to the point that the lettuce gets spoiled and leaving a nasty odor, don't worry. Wash the inside with laundry detergent by hand and then lightly clean the inside with vinegar. Powder the interior with baking soda and leave it for 2 to 3 days. Finally, clean it with a damp towel and let it air dry. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more art and fashion related videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!